Hi everyone, Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is the week ending 12/3 of 2023. The stock was LC. This happened on Tuesday the 28th. It was based on a Tier 2 gap with an entry on a 5-minute DTS buy setup, actually with a secondary sign of strength. Management advance reward to risk of 1.9 to 1. The trade lasted just a couple of hours in the morning. As usual, what is free for DTS members this week? Wednesday the 6th will be the DTS educational event. This is going to be called Risk Progression. It'll be a good one to attend whether you are rather new or whether you are somewhat experienced. You can read over that slide and see what we're going to talk about. You will get your invites if you're a DTS member automatically. And if you're not a DTS member, if you're seeing this on YouTube or something, make sure to get over to the DTS homepage and figure out how to become a free member at DTS for great educational events and emails. This is the daily chart of LC, and this is what it looked like the day before the trade. We're going to gap up to right about there. And that's what it's going to look like after the day of the trade. I got most of that. I got out late morning. It pulled back a fair amount and did make a higher high into the close, but for that morning high, I pretty much got all of it. This is the 60-minute chart. Just gives you a little bit better view, not a whole lot to learn here. We're going to open right about there. We're going to pull back in the morning on that little bottoming tail there and then shoot higher for the rest of the day. Entry came right about in there approximately. We'll see that on the next slide a little bit better. Here's the 5-minute chart. We're going to open right there, and there's that little pullback and the 5-minute buy setup, entry over 588, stop under 577. We're underway. Got a nice move there and actually took that morning high, very close to the morning high, and that first target one at 615. And then target 2 ended up trailing under that base as we couldn't go any higher. As I said, it ended up we did get up to 630 at the end of the day. But to hold all day and not know if you're going to come back down, especially on that daily chart, I felt it was worth it to get out when I did. So I think that's a pretty good exit for that trade. Here's a little better view on the 2-minute chart to see what happened here. We have our open right there, and there's going to be that entry, target 1, and target 2 is just slightly off the chart there on a trail. It happened somewhere around 12:30. If you like trades like this that are not hyperactive scalping, but rather well planned and trades that last anywhere typically from a half day or sometimes to all day, depending on what the trade is, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. If you get over to the DTS homepage, click on that Services and Subscriptions tab, and you can figure out how to become a member of the DTS Trading Room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.